Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Enlightened. Today we will learn 22 cooking vocabs under 4 minutes. Throughout the video, you will see some Your Turn pages. Please make sure to pause and practice those pages so that you can improve your English speaking. Thank you for watching. Now, let's begin. Add.
I've added an extra ingredient just for you.
Bake.
Yeah, they're baking. They're
Making cookies.
Beat.
Beat together eggs, sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Boil.
Boil some water, Gert.
Chop.
Open carrots. Chop.
Crack.
Just crack the egg.
Crush.
Oh, look, you crushed some garlic, some fresh mint.
Drizzle.
Oh, grab a slice quick. It's drizzled with truffle oil.
Fry.
I'll fry some chicken.
Grill.
Me too!
I'll take the grilled chicken, please.
Julienne.
Actually, I was going to do them Julienne.
Knead.
Knead everything together using your hands. All right.
Melt.
There's butter melting all over the place.
Mix.
And mix.
Mince.
Then, I thought, well, there's minced meat pie.
Grate.
Grate the cheese, Dad, okay?
Pour.
I just poured myself a new glass of milk.
Roast.
Okay. Chicken.
Fried or roasted?
Sauté.
All you do is saute garlic and onions in a pot.
Slice.
The only way to properly slice tomatoes.
Sprinkle.
Sprinkle.
Squeeze.
Squeeze of lemon. Parsley.